Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get notified when your iPhone's battery charging reaches at 80%. So in this process, you will get notified whenever your iPhone got 80% charged. In this way, you will not lose the battery health early, and secondly, you will not overcharge your phone. If you don't want to charge your phone more than 80%, because to save battery health or to limit the charging cycles, then you can use this trick. So how you can do that, just jump to shortcuts app in the phone, and let me delete the shortcut I have already created. So it will look like something this one. You have to jump to the automation at the bottom section. Now hit on new automation, and here swipe up, and you will see battery level. Here you go. Here you can like drag and set to 80%, or the percentage you want to set your iPhone to get alarmed, right? So hit on equals to 80% and select run immediately. Do not turn this option on, notify when run. So now hit on next. Here on click on speak text. Your iPhone is charged. So I can write this phrase. Now I want the Siri to speak this line whenever my iPhone reaches at 80% while on charging. I hope you got it right. I can select this arrow and change the Siri language and the voice, and click on done after I'm done. So whenever my iPhone is plugged in and it reaches at 80%, it will say when my iPhone will be at 80%, even it drops to 80 or even it rises to 80 whenever on charge or whenever it's unplugged, it will say this command that your iPhone has been charged to 80%. So this was the thing. I hope you find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Thanks you so much.